Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to XIAOMI Redmi Note 10s. Start by accessing Play Store on both devices. Then you need to type Send Anywhere in the search bar and download this free app from this developer. After that, open it. Then click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to wait for this one and do the same. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then go with receive on XIAOMI and send on Samsung. Now click on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to transfer all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose send and tap got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon over here on XIAOMI, tap on while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into File Manager, click on Images in my case, and look for Send Anywhere album. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!